should you build links to your homepage, to your affiliate content, or some other place? I'm Doug Cunnington, founder of Niche Site Project. If you're new to the channel, have a look at some of the other videos, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Let's assume that you believe that link building is a good thing. Now, I know some folks want all their links to come naturally. They don't want to do any outreach. They dislike outreach. Maybe it scares them. They don't want to promote their site. They just want to publish content and then hope the links come later. So let's assume you're in the other class of folks, people that will actively promote your site, do outreach, and let people know that you're publishing content. So once we get to that point, now we can sort of figure out, do you want to build links to your affiliate content or to your homepage? Me personally, I like to have a blend of links. So I'll have some going to informational content, some to affiliate content, and some to the homepage. And I'll tell you sort of the breakdown of what I look for. But here's the deal. You want to rank your affiliate content. That's what you want to rank on Google so that you have visitors on your website that are actually going to the post on your site where you could actually make an ROI. That is the ideal situation. If someone just lands on an informational article, they learn how to do something, but they never have an opportunity to click over to Amazon, then you're not gonna make any money. So, or any other affiliate program for that matter. So ideally you're getting links to the affiliate content. However, we as affiliate marketers realize that it may be a little bit harder to get links over to that affiliate content. I know when I first started, this is my thought process. Why would anyone link to this article where I'm just posting like reviews and maybe a buyer's guide for a particular product? Why would they help me do that? Especially if maybe they're a competitor or maybe there's some overlap. Like, why would they link to that page if it's purely a money article for me? Now, I'll get back to that in just a second, but overall, I'm getting probably 30 to 60% of my backlinks to my homepage. Now, why is that? Let's look at a couple examples of real websites out there and the breakdown, the distribution of links to their homepage, to their other pages. As you can see, there's a lot of links that go to the homepage. That is kind of a natural thing. If someone's mentioned on a website, a lot of times, the link is just gonna go to the homepage unless there's a specific article that someone's pointing out. So a lot of links do go there. Now, the good thing about that is you're developing like brandability. So if your website has brandability where like people will search for Niche Site Project, for example, that's a really good thing. And a lot of the links that are going to your homepage are going to have that sort of anchor text. So the answer to the question, where should you get your links? You should get links to your homepage, to your affiliate content, and to your informational post. Again, I like to have maybe 30 to 60% of the backlinks going to the homepage. It helps brandability. And then the rest of the links are going to the affiliate content and informational content. In my opinion, it really doesn't matter that much, the distribution, of course. It would be great to have more links to your affiliate content because, again, that's what you want to rank. Those are your money-making pages. So ideally, you're having some of the links go there. But if you can get links going to your how-to articles or your informational posts, that's a good thing too. Don't worry about it. In fact, on those informational and how-to posts, you can place links to your affiliate content and sort of pass the link juice over there. So that's a good thing. A lot of people will struggle with getting links to your affiliate content. It's hard to do, but it's definitely possible, and I've done it dozens of times for myself and clients in the past. I also know a lot of students from 5-Figure Niche Site have been able to get links directly to their affiliate content as well. Here are a couple tips so that you'll be able to get links to your affiliate content. So number one, it needs to be good. All right, don't have grammar mistakes. You need to write good content or publish good content if you didn't write it. It needs to be thorough and generally epic content, as they say. Is there a certain number of words that you need to go for? No, it depends on the topic. You need to cover it thoroughly. Sometimes you can cover a topic thoroughly in 1,000 words. Other times it may take 3,000 words or 10,000 words or something more. So write however much you need to cover, but you want to have one of the better pages on the internet for that topic if you want to get links to it. Let's assume you're writing a guest post and you want to get your affiliate link into that post. You need to have good content, like I said, but it also needs to be really relevant. It needs to be tightly related, and you need to be pointing someone to the resource on your website that's going to help them. That is how you're going to be able to get an affiliate link in your guest post, in the person that you're posting, the blogger that you're posting. That is how you get your affiliate link into the guest post in a legit way, in a way that the blogger will let you keep that link in there, and they won't think, hey, I'm gonna remove it, this seems a little bit too salesy. So if it's really truly helpful, you're in great shape and you should be able to pull it off. The secondary part is, if you're doing this via a guest post, the longer you spend networking with the blogger or whoever it is, the better. You're developing a relationship, and the deeper the relationship, the more that you've been able to, give to them, the better. It's the law of reciprocity, and if you do something nice for the other person, say maybe you share some of their content, or maybe you have a roundup on your site and then you help them out a little bit because you're featuring them, that is a good thing. And if you could help someone else out, they're gonna wanna help you out too. So if you keep that in mind and you don't ask anything for a little bit longer, develop the relationship a little bit more, you'll have a higher likelihood of actually getting that link to your affiliate content. Now, the next question you may have is like, what anchor text should you use for those articles? So I have another video, I'll put a link in the description so you can get to that, but what anchor text should you use? We're gonna talk about that in the next one. Thanks for watching. In summary, you should get links to your homepage, probably most of your links to your homepage, and the rest of your links should go throughout your site. If you can get some links to your affiliate content, that is the best case scenario. If you can get links to informational or how-to content, that's good too. Take those links, and then you could place links to your affiliate content within your informational content to pass that link juice over to your affiliate content. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.